सध्याच्या सरकारान जनतेक दिल्ली आश्वासनां पुराय केल्ली ना। म्हारगाय, भ्रष्टाचार, बेरोजगारी आनी गुन्यांव राज्यांत वाडत आसा। सरकारान केंद्राक तशेंच राज्यांत गरीब जनतेचेर अन्याय केला म्हण कामगार संघटनेचो फुडारी क्रिस्टोफर फॉन्सेका उलयला। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
The government at the central as well as at the state government have failed miserably to resolve these issues at all India level and also in the state level. We had a continuous strike, all India strikes, to resolve the various issues which are pending, particularly of the working class. We had jail baro andolans all over India, in all the states of India also. We have also continuous struggle like dharna. Even recently in December we had all India dharnas for continuously 3 days at New Delhi, followed with all the states all over India. This is the first time that we are feeling that the government are purposely creating issues among the working classes and the masses.
Whether it is be of 7th Pay implementation, whether it be of lifeguards, whether it be of contract labor abolition in vital sectors like lifeguards, as well as in PWD, and we are also calling upon the government, namely the Labour Ministry, to revive all the boards, working class boards, which are supposed to represent the working class interests. Like for example, the Goa Advisory Labour Board, the Goa State Labour Advisory Labour Board, one. Second, the Contract Labour Regulation and Abolition Board, which is very important, the Contract Labour Board, which have not been revived or which have not been in operation for the last 10 years. For 10 years they have been in limbo. या 10 वर्सां हे सगळे बोर्ड आहात ते न्हिदलेले आहात। सरकाराची जबाबदारी आहा ती बोर्ड रिवाइव करपाची। ह्या सगळ्या प्रश्नाचेर येता त्या दिसांनी आनी ह्यांतू वर्सां आमी ताचेर चळवळ करतले आनी आमी आतां पळयतात कामगारांची परिस्थिती खूब वायट जाला। एक म्हणल्यार एक वाटेन म्हारगाय वाडटा, दुसऱ्या वाटेन बेकारी वाडटा, तिसऱ्या वाटेनी कंपनी जे कंपनीन काम करतात त्या कामगारांक काडून उडयतात।
पीडब्ल्यूडीचे कामगार कितलीशींच वर्सां जालीं झुजता की आमकां परमनंट करात म्हणून, अजूनही परमनन्सी ना। आमची सरकारा कडेन मागणी आसा की पीडब्ल्यूडीचे जितले कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट कामगार आसा ते सगळे परमनंट जावपाक जाय। लायफगार्ड झुजले, रस्त्यार येयले, स्ट्रायक केले, पूण तांचो प्रश्न मिटलो ना।